Good morning. Welcome to Will's Treasures and welcome to the Saturday morning premiere train. We got a great lineup today, so stick around for the next 2 hours. We'll be happy to have you here and spending some time with us on this beautiful Saturday morning. Well, just recently I went to a great rummage sale, and whenever I'm at these rummage sales, garage sales, I'm always looking for coins, anything coin related. And I went there and I found somebody had a whole tub of foreign coins and they wanted to get rid of them. I got them for a great deal, and if you know me, I love my coins. Doesn't matter if they're US, foreign. Last year I've been getting into a lot of foreign coins. They're very interesting. They have some wonderful designs. They're made of all different types of metals. And like I said, I got these for a steal of a deal. I don't think the person realized exactly what they had, because in this little baggie that was in there, there's actually some silver. So we're gonna go through these first. They had some US coins here. They had a proof penny from 1981. Another proof penny from 82. Beautiful. They had this little Denver coin. This came in the mint sets. For the Denver Mint, they had one of these good luck pennies. That's pretty cool. It's a Wheatie from 50. I don't even know what date that is. Let's see if we can pull up my microscope here. Just give me 1 second. All right, here we go. Should have had that ready for you. Sorry about the delay. But we're gonna see what date this is. Ooh. This is a 1921 good luck penny. That's cool. That's an oldie. And here we have a Balboa. What year is that? 96, I think. Very cool. We got a silver Rosie. So yeah, I was really surprised to find some silver in here. This is a beat up, really chewed up wheat penny. We had a flying eagle that is very smooth. So there were some good coins in here. It's a very new Lincoln penny. Canadian. 76. Another, oh no, that's a Mercury dime. Really beat up, but silver. Here's a silver Rosie. What year is that? 64. It's one of those flattened pennies. A 2-cent piece. Very cool. 1864. 2-center. We have a Barbara half, 1911. This is just a Canadian dime with a nice ship on it. This looks like silver. Canadian quarter. That's silver. Oh, another flying eagle. 1 cent. Put them together. And another Merc dime. So yeah, I was really surprised when I opened up that bag to see, I seen the silver. I didn't see the flying eagles. As soon as I seen the silver, I definitely made a deal with them. And I walked away with some good coins. But like I said, I was after the foreign. And the foreign coins really, I really like. Because of the designs, the different shapes, the different metals. And this, some of these are really old. I mean, this is super light, this piece. But it's from 1921. So you can't go wrong with old foreign money. Beautiful designs. That looks like it's from Italy. So I have some work ahead of me looking up these coins. 1945. Beautiful design on the back. And where I go to look these coins up is a website called Numista. And I'll show you that real quick. You can go to this website and they have links for coins, banknotes, forum swaps, outings, frequently asked questions. But you can see when you click on the coins, and these are for foreign coins, you can scroll down and look, it has every single country. Every country. And you can click on any of it. Let's go to, everybody knows Canada. Let's see if we can find Canada. All right. We click on Canada and look at it. It shows you everything. The 1 cent, early 1858. We'll go up to the ones that everybody seems to know with the maple leaf on the back. Here's one that's in the 50s, 65. When they had the 67, they had this special cent with the, I think it was a goose on the back. All the way up to the present day, 2020, 2010. So it's really cool. And when you click on one of these, it tells you everything about it. All right. The features, the issuer, Canada, who's on the coin, King George, the type, the year, the composition, brass, the weight, diameter, just so much information. And that's exactly what we're looking for, right? We want information about these coins. So it takes some time to locate the coin that you're looking for. We just looked at this one here. This is Italiana. We'll see if we can find this coin. So we'll look for Italy. Here's Italy. Search query. Does this one have a date? Let's see what the date is here. Dun, dun, dun. The date is 1966. All right, So we'll type in 1966. And remember what it looked like? This person standing there. And the other side. So that would be this coin right here. 100 lire, large type, 1955 to 1989. Let's see what it was made out of. Agmonitol, 81.75% iron and 18.25% chromium. How cool is that? 8 grams diameter. That's just too cool. So it has a female head with laurel wreath facing left, divided the country name on both sides. Names of the designer engraver below. Here's the engraver. It's got a reeded edge. And it also tells you pricing, which is very cool. So 1966, right here, it was 52,500,000. Good condition, it's 10 cents. Goes all the way up to $3.30 uncirculated. So it tells you the pricing also. Very cool. So much information on this website. If you've never been on it, you really got to check it out. Maybe we can do one more here. What is this? We got 1894 centesima, 10 centesima, 1894. So, I think the centesima was Mexico, possibly. Let's see. Where's Mexico? Mexico. All right, what was the date on that? 1894. Type that in. I'm not sure if this was Mexico or not. No, I don't see it on there. So I'm gonna have to do a little more research on this, but you get the drift. You know, you can search for your coins, you can search for banknotes from all these different countries. So if you have foreign paper currency, this is the place. And it has all sorts of other stuff here. So Numista.com, check it out. Let's keep this trainer rolling. This is Will from Will's Treasures. And I will catch you guys on the next video.